Hello guys, back to Charmil. Now we're going to learn the guitar plucking pattern for the chord D7. This is D7. Okay, for the guitar plucking pattern, use thumb for the 4th string, finger 1, 3rd string, finger 2, 2nd string, finger 3, 1st string, finger 2, 2nd string, finger 1, 3rd string, and the thumb 4th string. Now, this is how to do the guitar plucking pattern for the D7. See? It's very easy. You can do it alone. More practice. Bye. See ya.